Member-to-member transfers are a great way to send and receive money from other Texell members. First, log into your Texell digital banking app and open the side menu. Choose Transfer to a Member. Select New Member Transfer. Then, enter the information requested, including the first 3 letters of the last name or business name, the member number of the person or business you are transferring to. Choose between a share, which is a savings or checking account, or a loan, and the ID. This is the 4-digit ID associated with the account you are transferring to. If you plan to make more transfers to this member, add a nickname for that account and save it. Choose which account you are transferring from, the amount you want to transfer, the frequency of transfers, and the date to schedule the transfer. After you've entered the information, click Next and verify the information is correct before submitting the transaction. That's it! If it is a scheduled transfer, you will see it listed in the Transfers section. If you have any further questions about member-to-member transfers, please contact Texell.